Hello, welcome to my channel. Are you looking for kickstart your journey? C++ programming but unsure where to begin? Setting up the right environment is crucial for writing efficient code. In this guide, we will walk you through the process of installing Visual Studio, Minji compiler and C++ extension, ensuring you have everything needed to developing seamlessly.
Now, first I need to go install Visual Studio. Go to Google and open and type Visual Studio for Windows. Then you can see here download Visual Studio tools. Open the first one or else download Visual Studio. Here we can find Windows and Mac. So we need Windows 64-bit download. Then right side corner you can see there downloading. Once downloading, you can click it and accept the agreement and click the next. Then here showing the path where to install the Visual Studio. If you want to change, otherwise give simply next, next, next. Then here you can observe the checkbox. You can check all the checklists. Then give the install. Wait a few seconds. Now end of the process installing. Now come to Google. Then the next process Minji compiler. I need to run C program in Visual Studio. Before that I have to install the Minji compiler. Download the Minji compiler. Wait some time. The right side of the corner you can see there download is downloading. I'm facing issue. Then see there a green color download button. You can click. Then here see decreasing the number. On the right side of the top you can observe Minji compiler is downloaded. Where to install? Here asking the path. Continue. Wait some time. It's going to install in your computer. Lot of files it's need to downloading. It will take some time. Trust me, you can wait some time. Otherwise you can terminate or you can close the window. The files are missing. Then Minji compiler is not installed properly in our system, as well as it's the Minji compiler whatever is downloaded, it's not supported to Visual Studio. So what happened? We are not able to run. Once the installation done, then this window you can see here packages. You can right click and then make for installation on. All the 7 checkbox make for installation, and finally the left side of the corner, let it be wait, all packages checked. Then left side of the corner you can see installation. So there you can go to apply changes. So simply click apply and wait some time. Please follow the step-by-step process how to installing Visual Studio as well as Minji compiler. Then it's good run our C programming. Wait some time. and close the dialog automatically. You can or else close it. Now my task is done. Visual Studio installed and Minji compiler also installed. Now I am go to this PC in your system. You can search Minji, then go to bin, and then you can copy the path. So copy this path and close this window. Go to settings. Why we need to go for settings? Because environment variables we need to set the path. Here you can search with advanced settings. Now it's not showing. Then check with other keyword. System environment. Now it's not showing. So finally you have to check with environment. So here two options available. The second one you have to take. You don't want that edit environment variable for your account. No need. The first one you have to take it. Edit the system environment variables. Click this one and see here a dialog box. Here, so the below of the pop-up, the box, you can observe here environment variable. Right? So this one we need to click. This one we need to click here. This button, environment variables. When you click this button, you can see the pop-up like this. You select the path, it will appear the blue color. Then go to edit. Okay. Then here you can check here. There is a new is there, right? Click that new and paste the path. And finally give the OK. OK 3 times. Now compiler successfully installed in our PC. Now we will check with the first program in Visual Studio. Open the Visual Studio. Then before that we have to install the C extension. You can install C extension with Microsoft. Search in the Visual Studio, Ctrl Shift P you can press and then search C Microsoft extension and install. So now my extension is installed successfully in Visual Studio. Now my environment is ready to run the program. Now we will see, open the Visual Studio, then take a new file, go to file and choose or else press the Ctrl N. Write the program /include stdio.h and int main. You don't think all about this. The coming courses I will explain clearly. The printf is printing purpose. We will print here hello world. Why we should write all the programming language hello world is just like a syntax. Be remember. That's it. Written 0. What is the compiler and how will run this our C program in this in Visual Studio. Everything comes clearly step by step. Now you can save with a name demo.c. Finally, come to the terminal. Here you can give GCC. GCC is the compiler which will invoke the program demo.c. So what is this GCC and what is .exe? Now you can observe here ./a.exe. We are successfully run our program. Please like, subscribe my channel.